Level 1, red pole. You clutch a rusty pipe in the back alley, your knuckles whitening around the worn metal. You're the muscle, the lowest in the hierarchy. A street fight breaks out across from you. You move forward, step by careful step, feeling every eye in the neighborhood on you. One wrong move, and it's not just your pride on the line, it's your life. Someone throws a punch too close. You swing the pipe. Bone cracks. The sound freezes you for a second, then fear slides down your spine. You step back. Nobody says your name. Nobody thanks you. But someone notices. You walk home in silence. Coins clink in your pocket. Your first payment. Enough to buy noodles and stay under the radar. Yet even that small money carries weight. You feel eyes in every shadow, hear whispers in every street corner. Level 2, Chiang, runner. You carry envelopes, small bags of cash, messages scribbled on slips of paper. Your job is fast, silent, invisible. The ferry is crowded. You navigate the human tide, elbows sharp, feet quick. One cop glances your way. Your heart leaps into your throat. You pretend to adjust your bag. No one suspects. Back alleys, secret doors, tunnels beneath neon signs. Packages switch hands. Each one is heavier than it should be. Each one could get you killed if mishandled. At night, the money goes into your pockets, your hands shake, but you don't let it show. This is survival, not heroism. Timing is everything. Level 3, red enforcer. You don't carry cash anymore, you carry consequences. A man kneels in a dim room, tied to a chair. His eyes plead, his body trembles. You watch. Every second stretches. Someone whispers behind you. He talked. Your mind stalls for a heartbeat. Then the silence presses forward. You act. Fast. Final. No second chances. Later, your hands smell of soap. You wash again. Nothing cleans this. Sleep comes only in short, broken bursts, haunted by the memory of his eyes. Level 4, white paper. You give orders. Small signals, subtle movements, dictating action that ripples through others. A deal unravels in seconds. Voices rise, tension snaps. You make the call. Chaos erupts. Chairs crash. People scatter. One of your own falls. The weight hits harder than any fist could. Afterward, no one questions you. But they watch differently. Each glance is loaded with understanding. Hesitation is a luxury you can no longer afford. Level 5, Lieutenant. Money is no longer physical. It flows through businesses that appear legitimate. Accounts stack higher each day, untouchable, invisible. A shipment disappears. A driver never returns. A name reaches places it shouldn't. Your phone never stops ringing. Every notification is a potential trap. You stop reacting. You start calculating. Decisions come cold and fast. Every action has a consequence, and every consequence must be managed. Level 6, Captain. Territory bends under your shadow. Streets, shops, alleys, all obey an unspoken law. Your law. You walk through neighborhoods. Conversations stop. Doors close quietly. People don't look up. Your reputation is stronger than your fists now, but every inch is contested. A rival group crosses the line. Testing boundaries. You respond immediately. Message delivered. Silence spreads faster than words. Morning brings no changes, but the fear lingers. Control is fragile, temporary, daily earned. Level 7, Dragonhead. You rarely step outside. Power reaches you through layers, intermediaries, people you barely know. Meetings happen behind closed doors, phones left outside, voices low. Trust is dangerous. A shipment intercepted too cleanly. A conversation leaks just enough to trigger alarms. Old allies vanish. Loyalty is temporary. Your circle shrinks, becomes sharper, more lethal. Each decision isolates you further. Paranoia creeps in slowly, unnoticed, but relentless. Level 8, Celestial. You have everything. Cities bow in silent acknowledgement. Money moves through networks no one can trace. You don't leave your building. Every sound is a potential threat. Rooms swept, meals checked, screens track every movement, reports flood in. You think about leaving, about vanishing, about freedom, but the truth is inescapable. The empire you built cannot be walked away from. At the top, power isn't liberation. It's a cage. You are alone, always watched. And for the first time, you realize the life you thought you owned owns you. You are celestial, but you are also trapped forever.